Oh my God. DevWorld Tech Academy, looking for the best that they can find. I mean the prodigies. They ain't looking for money, not your stats, they just the quality. They wanna raise the best that be ballin' in technology. DevWorld Tech Academy, looking for the best that they can find. I mean the prodigies. They ain't looking for money, not just stats, they just the quality. They wanna raise the best that be ballin' in technology.
So get up your bed first thing in the morning. Get your back on your back and be running. Heading to class, get into studying. To the future you soon be forming. This ain't no joke, sight in my eye. The grind of us people is a sacrifice. So make up your mind, you be alright. You either work smart or have sleepless nights. You better decide.
Time to lock in, leave my mind open for different topics. Learn how to learn, learn how to work it. Hands on deck, be ready to practice. Not a theory on book, you be active. So the walk will seem like a mountain. So your knowledge will be like a fountain. Then in your field, you'll be like a captain. Alright.
It's time to level up, no more delays. The future is now, let's seize the day. Beat every line of code, we pave the way for a brighter tomorrow. We start hearing
DevWorld Tech Academy, looking for the best that they can find. I mean the prodigies. They ain't looking for money, not just stats, they just the qualities. They wanna raise the best that be ballin' in technology. So I top it off with this flow, just before I get going. The people around here are gold, they're part of the reasons why you keep going. From coast to coast, different roller coaster, can't stop the one from stay moving. That bar didn't make too much sense, but he asked to the bottom of the groove, and you know I've heard of the beat, but I'm back on it. You got these poets and specialists, they ask for my help and I'm here for it. I love helping the beat, gives me energy, like a power and source of technology. I'm just dropping the buzz, the part of me. I'm just dropping the buzz, the part of me. I'm just dropping the buzz, the part of me. DevWorld Tech Academy, looking for the best that they can find. I mean the prodigies. They ain't looking for money, not just stats, they just the qualities. They wanna raise the best that be ballin' in technology. Oh my God. They call me Xander, Jane Love on the record. Yeah. Come to the DevWorld Tech Academy. It's where ballers are made, no cap, my boy. Yeah.